Hello friends, welcome to Lila's Creations Jewelry. Today I am going to show you how a spiral bangle is made. This is golden coated aluminum wire. This is very soft wire and I chose 14 gauge wire for this. It is very easy to twist manually, but I will show you the both way. You can twist it in this way and you can twist it with the help of a blender. I will show you the whole process. You can twist it like this, but for a better result you can use a blender. This is my blender, and now I am showing you the process how I made it. Be very careful because you have to hold the wires very firmly, otherwise it can slip out. After this process, wrap this silver wire around the spirals. This is a 21 gauge silver wire and I am twisting in this way. It's very easy to do, and you can see here when you twist this wire it make a gap, and I am using this gap for another wire to add this spiral bangle. After wrapping the whole thing it looks like this, and now I am going to wrap 21 gauge copper wire. This is a copper enamel wire and you can see it covers the gap easily, and you have to wrap this in this way. And now this is the final result, but one thing I have to do now, I'm just going to tap this whole design to make a flat shape. This is optional, but this can give a very good texture for the bangle. Not only that, it makes the bangle more firm. Now I am going to cut the both side of the bangle to make the perfect shape. After that you have to wrap the edges of the bangle in the both side. Tap this part also to make it firm. You can make it with any type of metals. You can use copper, silver and iron. Wearing this type of bangle is good for your health. Now you can make it your own and you can use it. It's very easy to make. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section. Be happy and creative always. Bye bye for now.